Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. You have to start by open REALME Link application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list, tap at your earbuds, and now click at the three dots at the right top. Right here at the first line we have firmware version, and firmware version is the same as software version. So to check for updates you need to tap at this line, and if nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you tap on it and enter to another window, just click update, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!